Good morning, friends. It is Nick Lind at Commencement Bay Brokers. And as I should say, good afternoon. This is your market update. That's your value added video for Monday, December 12th. Thank you for waiting, probably on the edge of your seat to get this video, which usually comes out in the morning. I screwed up how I shot it last week, so I'm reshooting it right now because I want to make sure that you are the most well-informed people in Pierce County when it comes to real estate. So thank you for watching. Today we're going to talk about the trends in the market, what we hear from our client base, what we see in the news, and what's actually happening are three different things. A lot of clients are scared about what they're calling a potential market crash. That's a pretty dramatic phrase to use, but I can understand why they feel that way because of what happened 12 years ago or so when the real estate market really took a beating. The headlines mirror that because in the headlines, fear sells. But what's actually happening in the market is established by the statistics that we get in our reports from the MLS, and I'm going to share that with you right now. Some wild news in Pierce County real estate and in real estate in general in the Northwest for me, because when you look at the stats, there's been such movement all over the map, from peak market values back in May to a crazy window in the late summer where it was really challenging to sell anything. And where it's all settled out is if you look year over year, which means the end of last November 2021 versus the end of this November 2022, the real estate values are up about 2%. So house values are up about 2%. That's not a sky is falling environment. What has happened in that window of 12 months has been a pretty wild ride. Last year, the marketplace boomed at the start of the year. And so we saw appreciation from last November until about May. And it was really dramatic. The market just skyrocketed. There were bidding wars. There's all kinds of crazy stuff. Where people are getting the fear is between the peak of the market in about May and the end of October, the market corrected about 10%. And that was a small window for a real estate market to correct 10%. What is exciting to me and interesting to me is if you look at the average sale price of Pierce County from the end of October versus the average sales price in Pierce County at the end of November, what you'll find is the prices actually went up slightly between October and November. And I think that correlates to the interest rates being almost 1% lower today than they were about 6 weeks ago. So the interest rates have come back down a little bit. We hope that maintains. The prices have started to go up because there's still not enough inventory. And we all know our market, if you watch these videos, you know our market is driven by supply and demand. There's not enough supply. The demand cooled because the interest rates were higher than people were used to. The rates have come back down. There's still not enough supply. And the prices have shown a trend of maybe stabilizing or even going up. So if you're looking at some real estate goals for 2023, what does this all mean? If you're considering buying, selling, investing in real estate, this is your window to get the right information and get prepared, because when the market begins to pick up momentum, it's going to change. It's going to change fast. And you want to make sure that you are prepared to take advantage of it, whether you're buying, selling, or investing. Investors, this could very well be the trough of the market. We do not have a crystal ball, but the facts say that houses are 10% cheaper right now than they were just about 6 months ago. Home buyers, the same holds true for you. This looks like a great buying opportunity. Sellers, we are still able to get homes sold. The market is stabilizing. The average days on market are less than we would commonly expect in a normal marketplace. In fact, the market looks more like 2019 than way back in 2011, 2012. So guys, if you want to get the straight scoop on real estate, make sure you follow these videos. And if you'd like to talk to us about your real estate goals, or if somebody around your Christmas table has some questions about real estate, make sure that we get linked up, because we'll make sure that you get the straight scoop. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great week. See ya.